Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you the easiest way to set time on Hero Xoom 110 scooter. So if you also have got same scooter and you want to set time, then this video will be very helpful. Let's get started. Very first thing you can see here is it's 640 M on instrument cluster, where you can get two button, that is M for mode button and another on right is S, that means set. You have to press this mode and set button at the same time for few seconds. After pressing for few seconds, you can see here on the display the hour is blinking. Now you have to press set button one by one to go ahead as shown on the video. You can see it's 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how you can adjust hour. Now to adjust minute, you have to press mode button once as shown on the video. After pressing that, you can see there minute is blinking. Now do the same, press set button one by one to go ahead. 42, 43, 44. This is how you can adjust hour and minute. Now to change AM and PM, press mode button once. Now you can see AM is blinking. To change it towards PM, press set button once, and if you press it again, it will go back towards AM. Now to adjust this hour and minute, you have to press mode button at last. So whatever the time you have adjusted will be fixed over here. Now even though if I will turn it off the ignition and turn it back on, the time whatever I have fixed 11:47 AM will be adjusted over here. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you very much for watching till the end.